Well, let's see what's in this package here. Is it a book? No, it's a microphone. So this here is a Shure PE588 Unisphere B. Basically in the 60s and 70s these were used. Has a nice little on-off switch and has ability where you can push it up so that way it always stays on. So that way you can't get, won't have a vocalist turn it off or somebody else. It has a cool sound to it. Basically it's a little bit it really works with like kind of a distorted voice. Also sounds really good with a harmonica. It's a cool sound if you put it in front of a guitar amp or bass amp. So yeah, I can't wait to try this thing out. So this is a PE588 Shure, and it's a dynamic microphone. So it means they're built like tanks, and you hold this microphone, it feels like something in your hand. As always, rock around, of course, it does compute. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel because that would totally compute. Yeah, microphone.